Right now, the world is suffering from a silent crisis. Lack of sleep. More than 62% of adults sleep less than 6 hours a night. Studies show that insufficient sleep increases your risk of diabetes by 26%. Your risk of heart attack rises by 48% when you don't get enough rest.
And depression risk
Can skyrocket by almost 80% due to chronic sleep deprivation. The real danger? Your brain repairs itself only at night while you sleep. Without sleep, your brain literally deletes its own data. Sleep is not a luxury, Zect. It's your brain, your heart, and your life. Prioritize it tonight.